Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick step on how to change your name in FIFA Mobile. If you are looking for a way to change your name on FIFA Mobile, then we have a bad news for you. There is currently no way you can change your name on FIFA Mobile since the username that you type in while creating your account is permanent. If you still want to change your name or your username, you'll have to create a new FIFA Mobile account. If you would like to delete your account, simply go and tap on the gear icon at the top right hand corner from the main homepage of FIFA Mobile. Scroll down and tap on the arrow right next to Account Deletion at the bottom. Now, if you continue deleting your account, it'll also delete all the relevant information from your game data and progress, accounts balances, points, coins and gems, purchased items. Your friends will also be deleted. To delete your account, tap on the little square at the bottom to ensure that you agree and wish to continue deleting your account. After you're sure you'd like to move forward, tap on delete at the bottom. Now, once deleting your account, create a new account and type in the new name you'd like to change to when it asks for you to create a username. That is the only way you'll be able to change your name in FIFA Mobile. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.